Not every. Yeah, I'm gonna use that. I love that. Whenever I'm not amused, I'm gonna say my meat is not dancing. It sounds so. The blood is not boiling. The meat is not dancing.
Beautiful.
I know. It's beautiful. Japanese has some great expressions. I still really like the whole noodle karate ga deru. That one's still funny to me. It's great.
That is beautiful.
I think all three of those should be used in the same sentence. That one, and then the blood not boiling, the meat not dancing. hmm
I don't know if the person who invented those idioms was like an alien who had never seen what a human looked like before, and like tried to come up with like plausible sounding
Like, oh, this is
expressions.
something human would say.